Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign PDFs on your iPhone directly from Gmail. It's a common task, and thankfully, your iPhone has some really handy built-in tools to make it super easy. We'll go through opening the document, using the markup feature to add your signature, and then sending it right back without needing any extra apps. Let's get started and make signing documents on the go a breeze. First things first, open up your Gmail app on your iPhone and find the email containing the PDF you need to sign. Once you've located it, simply tap on the PDF attachment to open it in a preview. This will bring up the document on your screen. Now, keep an eye out for the markup icon, which often looks like a pen tip or a small toolbox. Tapping this will unlock all the editing magic. With the markup tools open, you'll see a toolbar at the bottom of your screen. To add your signature, tap on the plus sign icon, which will usually be on the bottom right. From the options that appear, select Signature. You can then draw your signature directly on the screen with your finger or choose a previously saved one. Once your signature appears, you can easily drag it to the correct spot and adjust its size to fit perfectly. Once your signature is perfectly placed and you're happy with it, tap the Done button, usually located in the top left corner of your screen. Your iPhone will then prompt you with options to save or share the document. You can choose to reply all to the original email or start a new message to send the signed PDF. Confirm your recipient, add any necessary text, and then hit send. You've successfully signed and sent a PDF from your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.